Hello students, I am your physical education teacher. Our second chapter is going on. Today we will discuss about cooling down. Cooling down or limbering down. What is a cooling down? To bring the body in normal state after any competition or training is called cooling down. It is also called warming down. So in fact, cooling down is a necessary activity after training or competition, because by the cooling down your body temperature will be decreased. So it involves a specific procedure to bring the body to a normal position. After any workout of training or competition, we should not stop the movement of our body immediately. For proper cooling down, we should perform jogging as well as walking for 5 to 10 minutes. If we will do this will be decrease the body temperature and removing the waste product from the working muscles. After that means after jogging, after walking, we should perform the stretching exercise. In stretching exercise, we should stretch all the major muscle group which you have used during the training or competition. The stretches you should be held for 10 to 20 seconds and repetition of stretch should be done at least 2 to 3 times. So by the jogging and walking and as well as stretching exercise, our body temperature will be decreased and the waste product will also be removed from the working muscles. So after that, major stretching exercise of muscles for cooling down मीन्स कौन कौन से मसल्स की कौन कौन सी हमने स्ट्रेचिंग एक्सरसाइज करनी है मसल्स को कूल डाउन करने के लिए एंड बॉडी टेम्परेचर को डिक्रीज करने के लिए. इन दिस हैमस्ट्रिंग, चेस्ट, क्वाड्रिसेप्स एंड ट्राइसेप्स एंड शोल्डर्स stretch should be there. By these exercise we can decrease the body temperature and we can decrease the muscle temperature, and by that muscle become soft. After that, advantages of cooling down and limbering down. What will be advantages of cooling down? So as warming up is essential before training or competition, cooling down is or limbering down is also essential to bring body back to the normal position after training or after competition. So you can say that cooling down is as important as the warming up. So by the cooling down you can decrease the body temperature only. First is the body temperature become normal. During the competition or during the training, because of high intensity and strenuous training, the body temperature increase more than the 160 Fahrenheit. So that temperature will be decreased only through the cooling down exercises. After that, proper removal of waste products. When a sports person performs training or takes part in the competition, the waste products such as lactic acid, uric acid, acid phosphate, sulfates and carbon dioxide etc. are accumulated in his body. Means जो भी waste product होते हैं while you are working, while you are performing any training or take part in any competition, these waste product will be produced. So due to more accumulation of these waste product in the body, muscle can't work efficiently. So अगर ये वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट हमारी बॉडी में प्रोड्यूस रहेंगे या कम्युलेट रहेंगे तो क्या है, हमारे जो मसल्स हैं दैट विल नॉट वर्क इफेक्टिवली एंड एफिशिएंटली. सो प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग ऑफ मसल्स proper cooling down should be there. Then only we can remove the waste product from our body. After that, the muscles will work properly if waste product will not be there in our muscles. So decrease in tension during the training or competition muscle remain under tension. Proper cooling down decrease the muscular tension, they tend to relax. Along this, mental tension is also reduced up to some extent after performing a proper or appropriate cooling down. Means if we will perform proper cooling down, then this will be decrease our muscular tension and muscle will become relaxed. Along this, mental tension is also reduced up to some extent. After that, supply of oxygen. During the strength training, there is a lack of amount of oxygen in the comparison in resting position. Means whenever you are performing any exercise or any training, then there will be a lack of oxygen in the comparison to rest position. मीन्स आप रेस्ट पोजीशन में हो तो ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई कंटिन्यूसली इनफ होती रहेगी, बट जब क्या है आप एक्टिविटी कर रहे हो तो अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन है वो डिक्रीज होने लगती है. प्रॉपर कूलिंग डाउन हेल्प इन सप्लाइंग द ब्लड एंड ऑक्सीजन टू मसल्स. मीन्स विद द प्रॉपर कूलिंग डाउन विल हेल्प इन सप्लाइंग the blood and oxygen to your working muscles and restoring them to the position they were in before performing training. Means इससे क्या होगा, जो आपके मसल्स हैं वापस उसी कंडीशन में आ जाएंगे जो बिफोर ट्रेनिंग आप थे. along this your recovery becomes faster. Any recovery can be there, means after fatigue or after injury, that will be also become faster. Then decrease in the level of adrenaline in the blood. Adrenaline, what is this? During the warming up, the training, the level of adrenaline in the blood is enhanced, which increase the speed of blood flow. Means क्या हो जाना, आपके increase हो जाना rate of the circulation, blood circulation increase होना. It is a hormone जो क्या कर देता है, it will be increase the rate of the blood circulation. So proper cooling down decrease the level of this hormone in the blood, which ultimately normalizes the blood flow in the body. Means अगर ये जो हार्मोन है अगर इसका लेवल डिक्रीज होगा, किससे होगा, बाय द कूलिंग डाउन. सो आफ्टर दैट द ब्लड फ्लो विल बी normal in your body. After that, muscle don't remain stiff. Means by performing cooling down properly, muscle don't remain stiff but get relaxed speedily. Means stiff नहीं रहेंगे muscles आपके, जो टोन अप थे ड्यूरिंग द कंपटीशन वो क्या हो जाएंगे, रिलैक्स हो जाएंगे विद द स्ट्रेचिंग और विद द कूलिंग डाउन एक्सरसाइजेस. मसल फाइबर बिकम स्ट्रेट अगेन and muscles come to normal position as they were prior to the warming up or training. Means muscle fibers become straight again, वापस पहले वाली कंडीशन में आ जाएंगे and muscles come to normal position as they were prior to the, means जो जैसे वो पहले एक्टिविटी के थे. If proper cooling down is not performed, muscles become stiff. So last is the heart rate return to initial stage. Means with the proper cooling down exercise, with the proper stretching exercise, your heart rate will return to initial stage. Whenever you will be performing any competition or any training, the rate of heart rate doesn't return to its initial stage immediately, but it definitely takes some time. In fact, the heart rate must become to initial or normal stage approximately after 30 beats. The normalization of heart rate depends upon the physical condition of the sports person and the sports activity in which he was involved. मीन्स जो किसके ऊपर आपकी नॉर्मलाइजेशन जब नॉर्मल स्टेज पे हार्ट रेट को आना किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, ये आपकी फिजिकल कंडीशन ऑफ द स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन एंड द टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटी in which he was involved. In such condition, the total duration of cooling down should be enhanced, means increase कर देना चाहिए time of cooling down and more static stretching exercise. Static means जो खड़े होकर fixed position के without running, without jogging, that exercise should be included in your cooling down process. After that, your heart rate return to normal or initial stage. So that's all about the cooling down, advantages and meaning of cooling down. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you for watching.